Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Setting the Stage for Its Arrival from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. But first, on behalf of Mystical Minds, we'd like to thank everybody for listening and subscribing to our channel. With love from Jamie Girard and Danny Girard. Thank you. Now to begin with the poem called Setting the Stage for Its Arrival. There are those who say they are broken and never move beyond that point. As they continue to declare they are broken, then there are those who say they were broken, but today they declare they're healing. Whichever case it is, they write the script and set the stage for its arrival. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. I'd like to take a moment now, if you can, close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for from yesterday. I am grateful for the beautiful weather. I'm grateful for getting a great deal on insulation. And I'm also grateful for finding a new website to help me edit. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.